¿Qué traza barrio? Today we have received a new set of coilovers for my 4-gen clips, and here we have them. The only reason why I got these coilovers is because the ones I have right now, honestly, I don't like the ride quality. It's pretty bouncy and it's pretty stiff. I got these coilovers from our guys on Max Speed Rods. So they offer me to try their product, see if my car rides a little bit better than right now, because honestly right now I don't like the ride quality. Even though I put the softest setting, the damper setting, it's still pretty stiff, bouncy, and I mean it's not bad, but I want something better. Let me open the box, let's review this product and see how it looks. In the box, how they look like. Alright, let's see. I can see they're very well packaged. That's my first impression, so let's take this off. Okay, so they're orangey color, and I assume that these are the front ones. Yep, these are the front coilovers. I think this is the front coilover, which is pretty good. I mean, it's pretty similar to the current coilovers that they have for the 4-gen, and also comes with the camber plate. And what's most cool is that it comes with the damper adjustment over here. You can actually adjust the ride stiffness. You can make it softer or, you know, harder. That's pretty cool. For the rear, which is pretty cool as well, it comes with the stiffness. It comes with the stiffness adjustment, the damper adjustment. It just doesn't come with the camber plate, but I don't think none of the coilovers for the Eclipses that I know comes with a camber plate on the rear. I don't think so. So I mean, it's not strange that this doesn't have it, but it'll be cool. As long as you can modify the stiffness, should be fine. So everybody knows what a coilover it is for. For the ones that don't know, these coilovers will adjust your car height, so you can drop your car to the ground, or at least, you know, lower that center of gravity with some of these coilovers, and you know, get your car a little bit lower than stock, because you get more I would say stability and performance by dropping your car, believe it or not. So these coilovers should do the job. I saw a product, I want to put them on my car, but not today. Today I'm just doing the review on this product, which you know, out of the box, they're high quality, they're pretty well built, and they have like pretty much everything that any other brand has. So I mean, there's no doubt that these coilovers will work pretty well. So I wonder how low they go. Let me see. Oh, they go pretty low. Yeah, I can see they go pretty low. You can see all this space is where you can drop this huge screw and drop your car. Nice. It comes also with two security rings to adjust the spring, and the one to lock it. Oh, they're pretty cool. I mean, I wish I could have found this company before. Okay guys, so we just unboxed this product. Honestly, I can't do the installation today only because I don't have too much time, and I have to do, you know, 4 sites and then go test the car. And actually, like, tomorrow I need my car, so I don't want to do the installation and probably not finish it today and don't have a car for tomorrow to work. I'll probably do the installation next weekend and put the coilovers on the car and see how it rides. If it rides better or not, I'll let you know. I hope it does. And also I need to test the car, you know, like go probably a mountain run or to the track or somewhere, so I can really put these coilovers to the max and give you a good review of these coilovers. And I mean, they're pretty well built, so I don't think there's gonna be any problem with them. I just don't have the time to install them today, but I want to make a shout out to our guys on Max Speed Rod for sending us this product to review it. to put it on my car and and see if it writes better than right now, because the coilovers that I have right now, they are not the best for my application. So these are better, but we'll see that next weekend when I do the installation. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye.